Peru News Today. All you need to know about Peru.
Recipe for Peruvian picarones, a delight to the palate. Peruvian picarones are one of the most traditional and classic desserts in Peruvian cuisine. It is said that picarone originated in pre-Hispanic times in Peru, where the indigenous people prepared a very similar dish based on sweet potato and pumpkin. However, with the arrival of the Spanish, ingredients were added and it acquired the classic hole in the middle. This dessert became so popular, and was passed down from generation to generation. Many women went out on holidays, such as in religious processions such as that of the Lord of Miracles, proclaiming the sale of their picarones, and these went out like hot cakes. It is said that soldiers arrived in the city of Lima in 1821 and they met a woman who sold buñuelos, a dessert well known in South America. This lady did not call them buñuelos but picarones. And so it was that the name became known and spread everywhere. If you want to learn how to prepare these delicious picarones, here is the recipe. Ingredients: 4½ cups flour, half a kilogram of sweet potato, 200 grams of pumpkin, 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, cooking oil, chancaca honey, 2 chopped chancaca tapas, 4 cups of water, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon anise grain, 1 piece of orange peel. Now, let's do it. 1. Parboil the sweet potato and pumpkin. 2. Take out 4 tablespoons of the water to mix with the yeast and blend with the rest of the water. 3. In a bowl, put the warm water reserved from cooking the pumpkin. Dissolve the yeast and sugar there and let it rest for 5 minutes. 4. Add to this mixture the flour and cornstarch, previously sifted, and the pumpkin with the sweet potato. 5. Beat vigorously with your open hand. 6. Cover the preparation and let it rest in a warm place. 7. Wait for the dough to rise. 8. Take out a portion of dough, wet your hands first so the dough doesn't stick, shape it into a round shape and make a hole in the middle with your finger. 9. Fry in plenty of hot oil and with the help of a skewer stick, enlarge the hole while the picarones are fried. Drain on absorbent paper towel. How to make chancaca honey or honey for picarones. 1. In a pot we add the chancaca, the orange, a teaspoon of anise, a cinnamon and the water. 2. With a ladle, stir the mixture for half an hour and let it cook at low temperature. 3. When you see that it is boiling, take a drop and put it on a plate to see the consistency. If it is the right one, not so thick, turn off the pot and let it rest. Preparation tips for Peruvian picarones. If you find it very complicated and tedious to prepare the picarones dough, you can use a hand mixer. It will be much easier. If you decide to use a hand mixer, add 3 eggs, this will give consistency and help the dough rise. Ready, a delight to the palate. Subscribe and follow us on our social networks, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and TikTok.
Peru News Today. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram.